in this picture.
Now let's go to question number 4. Task 4, which is making predictions. So our competency here is that we need to make predictions. So task number 4, you will see the same picture that has come up, same picture. And what is the competency? What you need to be competent in speaking here is, in this picture, what do you think will most probably happen next? What will most probably happen next? So our key competency here is will most probably happen next. So we have to look at this one. And again, the prep time is only 30 seconds, record time is 60 seconds, and the competency is what will happen next. So before that, I want you to, brainstorm some of the words that showcase the probability of happening next. For example, you can use the word will. What else can you use? You can also use the word would, right? Or can you use the word may? Can you use the word might? Think about some more words. Can you think of the word there is a possibility? Possibility of happening this or that? Or can you say there are chances of? So these are some words that you have to showcase here. Now, what do you think will most probably happen next? So your first sentence should be, you can say, well, I can see many things that can happen next. So you can start with saying many things that can happen next. Now, again, I have used a non-specific word, which is many. So how many we can say for many? Comes to the rule of 3. We will be talking about only 3 of them. So now here with the next question, we will pick up the same order of information that we have to deliver: 1, 2, and then 3. So use the same order. It will really help you. It will organize your brain. It will give you logically production of your ideas. So you will say, well, there can many things that can be predicted, and there is a possibility of happening next. And I predict that the lady in her pony and red shirt and capri behind this one, walking the dog, may go to her house after finishing her walk with the dog. So we use the word may. Now the next one will say, next we have to talk about this person, and we will not use the word may. You can use the possibility, chances of, if it is something definitive, will or would. Or you can also say, I predict. Predict is another word for, something to tell about the future. You can use the word predict also. So let's say, then you would say, the man in the yellow t-shirt reading a book who is walking off from the shed, I predict that he's going to hit the pole that is just in the next step near to him. So that is your prediction. So you use the word predict. So you have used may, you have used predict, and now let's go for the third person. The man with curly hair who is leaning against the pole of the shed is most probably going to wait for the bus for a pretty long time. He seems tired and he may sit on the floor in the next few minutes if he had to wait more. That's it. Now you move on to the third one. So I used possibility, predictability. There are chances that the lady will stand up from her place where she's sitting and might go and talk to the bus driver and ask her something. All right. I also see there is a possibility that these school kids, because they are so much busy in their own self, there are chances that they may miss the bus because they are not paying attention to when the bus will come. And once you're saying these things, it's a predictability. No answer is correct or no answer is wrong. And you might say, oh, the boy standing next to these two girls may take the bus because he is not much engaged into the mischief that those little girls are doing. And by that time, your 60 seconds are over and you have used will, would, chances of, possibility. And these are the variables that you will be using in this question to make the prediction of what may happen in the next few minutes.